Okay, push it out. Okay. Push out the magnet.
So you see one side, one diameter is bigger.
Okay.
Here diameter is smaller. Smaller goes down.
Okay, so small goes down. Okay. You can shake the glass out.
From here, glass.
Yeah.
And from the side, the same side. And just follow the spring. Yeah, just take your time.
Mm-hmm.
You can
You use something small to help pull it out.
so
We just used an X-Acto knife. Oh, there you go.
there's the
Here's the spring. Okay, perfect.
So what you do? You open the spring a little bit.
Open the spring a little bit.
You put the glass
Put the glass
inside.
inside, small side. Up.
Here,
Yeah.
you see, couldn't it fall? Because
Okay.
this diameter is long.
Okay, okay.
Now, put the spring, press it.
Press the spring. Oh, press the spring around.
Yeah, and just push it inside.
Push it inside.
I mean, you lock the,
Yeah, and then it sort of clicks in.
no, not click, you just lock the,
Oh, okay.
Glass.
Okay.
now you clean it,
Clean it with your fancy tools, breath
Yeah.
tools.
and then the spring side up,
Spring side up.
you put
Click
it
it
back.
back in. Oh, you're fey.
Voila!
Thank you.